Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Sol Caballo, 27 years old in Singal. I live in Maco, Compostela Valley Province. I am honest, hardworking, understanding, caring person. I am graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy last March 2008. My experience in BH is I know how to cook, washing clothes, washing clothes.
Are you familiar with operating household appliances?
Yes, sir, madam. I am familiar with operating household appliances like vacuum cleaner, television, video karaoke, oven toaster.
What experience do you have in cooking?
I have lots of experience in cooking, especially Filipino foods. But I'm very much willing to learn about Chinese dishes.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats or dogs?
Yes, sir, madam. I am very much willing to take care of pets like dogs because we have also one dog in our home.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and to support my sister to school.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Uh, my promise to my future employer in Hong Kong that I will be honest and hardworking and loyal to them, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you, sir.